Hello guys, today we're gonna make a Ganesh idol out of Play-Doh. So this is the body, this is the head, these two are the ears, these two small ones are the toes, this one is the trunk, these two are for the hands. So this is the body. This is for the genu, this is for the tusks, this is for the base, and this is for the eyes. This is the red juice, this is the mouse's decoration, this is the body, this is the legs, this is the tail for the mouse, and these three pieces are for the crown. So now we're starting with the base. We need to make it flat and keep it aside. So now we're going to bring the body and head to the base. Now it's time to keep the trunk on the head, and also you need to give it a shape. Now it's time to add the legs and the dhoti. Now it's time to add the hands. Now it's time to add the ears. First you need to squish it and then it turns into an ear. It's time to assemble the crown and put it. It's time to put the tusks in the eyes. Now it's time to make the mouse. Now it's time to put the mouse and decorate it. You can decorate the Ganesh however you want. You can add an umbrella also. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Bye!